Assalamu alaikum to all viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the energy and the law of conservation of energy and its forms. I have two researches website which will give the exact data of the about the law of conservation of energy. Also have a PPT. And now, first of all, we will discuss about the law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only converted from one energy to of one form of energy to another. This means that a system always has the same amount of energy unless it's added to from the outside. You can see here the law of conservation of energy states that the energy can either be created not destroyed, only converted from one form of energy to another. This means that a system has the same amount of energy unless it added from the outside. You can see that it has seven type of energy. First is mechanical energy, electrical energy, light energy, nuclear energy, chemical energy, sound energy, heat energy. Now we discuss what is energy. Energy, the capacity for doing work. In a simple words, the whole capacity of doing work is called the energy. It may exist in potential, kinetic, thermal. These are the types forms of energy. There are moreover heat and work energy in the process of transfer from one body to another. Energy is the is the process of transfer from one body to another. Law of conservation of energy. With every transformation, every some energy is converted to less useful form. Energy conversion are not 100% efficient. The energy output for the intended purpose is seldom the same as the energy we put in. What is the energy with the law of conservation of energy? The law of conservation of energy that energy can either be created nor be destroyed. Also, it can be transferred from one form to another. If you take all form of energy into account, the total energy of an isolated system always remains constant. Now we see that the amount of energy in an system that is determined by the following equation: ut is equal ui plus w plus q. Ut is the total amount of inertial energy of a system. Ui is the initial energy of a system. W is the work done or on by system. Q is the heat added or removed from the system. It is possible to determine the change in internal energy of the system. Delta U is equal W plus Q. This is also called first law of this is also called the first law of thermodynamics. You can see that here is the written the amount of mass directly related to the amount of energy as determined by the most famous formula in physics. E is equal mc square. E is the amount of energy in an object or system. C is the speed of light roughly. M is the mass or object or system. And you can also see that in the slides PPT. This is You can see that this is the kinetic energy is the energy an object processes due to its motion. And more potential energy, elastic potential energy, work, law of conservation of energy, all topics it have. Its PPT give the best information about our topic.